The night sky is dark. Every single person knows this. But why? Well, a few might know. Most of you will say it is because the sun has set. But just think for a moment that if a single star, the sun, can keep the entire day bright, then when the earth faces away from the sun at night, because of the spinning of the earth on its axis, it turns us towards an infinite number of other stars. Why the infinite number of stars can't keep the night bright? Of course, they are far away, but they are just infinite, capable of lighting the night sky even brighter than the sun. Astronomers have known for a long time that how much fainter things get with distance depends on the square of the distance. Imagine a star 100 light years away. Depending on the square of the distance, that star will be 10,000 times fainter or dim. But at this much distance, there will be the same number of stars as the level of faintness of a single star. So the combined effect of all of them would be equal to a single star very close to us. The fact that the night sky is dark even in the presence of an infinite number of stars is called the Olbers paradox, named after the German astronaut Heinrich Wilhelm Olbers. We also know this as the dark night sky paradox. There could be many explanations to this paradox. I'll be pointing out a few. First, there's too much dust which blocks the light of the distant stars. Second, there are only a finite number of stars in the universe. Third, the distribution of stars is not uniform, meaning that there could be an infinite number of stars, but they are arranged back to back in a manner that the one in front hides the other at the back, so they subtend only a little angular area. Fourth, the universe is expanding, so distant stars are redshifted and slowly becoming invisible by shifting towards infrared. Redshift here refers to the shifting of stars away from us. The light is shifted towards the red end of the spectrum as its wavelength gets longer. Fifth, the universe is young, so distant light hasn't even reached us yet. The first explanation is completely wrong. As if there is enough dust to block the light of the infinite number of stars, then that dust will surely block the sun's light too. Coming to the second explanation. The number of stars may be finite, but even then they would be capable enough of lighting up the entire sky. If we stick to the third explanation, then that would mean if the stars are arranged back to back, then the sky must be dark all around except for the small patches where the stars are present. The last two explanations are worth considering because according to the Big Bang Theory, our universe had a beginning 13.8 billion years ago. So because light takes time to reach us, we cannot see the universe present beyond the age of our universe. Objects over 13.8 billion light years away are too far for that light ever to reach us. At the same time, we must remember that the universe is always expanding. So the stars are getting redshifted and the space has already expanded so much that all the visible light from the distant stars in the universe has been stretched beyond the visible red light into the infrared and even microwaves. Hence, we cannot see their light, which results in the darkness of the night sky.